Have this ever happened to you? You will just be sitting or walking or even doing something completely random. And boom, a content idea just drop into your head. No stress, no planning, no thinking. It just comes. Maybe it's a video concept, a skit idea, a caption, or even just something you want to say that you know people will relate to. And in that moment, you are like, yes, this is good. I won't forget this one. But guess what? Give it 10 minutes or let someone distract you. Or you step out to do something else. Next thing, you can't remember it anymore. You are there scratching your head like, what was that thing I was thinking earlier? It's so frustrating because you know it was something valuable, something worth creating, but because you didn't jot it down or record a quick voice note or write it in your phone note, it's gone. And the worst part, when you try to recreate the idea later, it never comes back the same way. You might get a version of it, but not that exact feeling or wording that first came to you. So here's the advice as a creator or anyone who shares content. Whether you do storytelling, vlogging, tutorials, cooking, comedy, whatever, the moment an idea drops in your mind, write it down. Don't trust your memory. Even if you think it's small or not serious, just jot it down. Sometimes the best content we create didn't come from hours of planning. It came from random ideas we didn't ignore. Personally, I've lost too many ideas that could have been great content just because I told myself I'll write it later. Now, I don't wait. I pause whatever I am doing, open my notes app or grab a pen and write it, because you never know that little random idea. It might be just your next viral post. So whenever an idea pops into your head, write it down immediately. Don't wait for later because you might forget it. So my fellow content creators, this is one of the ways to stay consistent, by writing each idea that comes to you down. Not only writing it down, but putting it into action, creating content about it. That will be all for now, and I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye. If you have not followed the page, kindly do so and like the video.